Let me ask you, I really like the thing that you said a little bit earlier. You said, you know a lot of leaders and they might be lacking in some ways, but they have quality. What are some of the consistent qualities that, let's start off on a positive note. What are some of the consistent qualities that you see in the people you coach and interact with right now? Where do you think that leadership has learned the lesson? And then we'll talk about where they need to go, what lessons they haven't learned.
Yeah, the successful coaching relationships that I've had with leaders that I decide, you know what, because I have something called a chemistry session, and in the first session you can tell we've got chemistry, we don't, just you and me.
Life is too short to deal with people you don't like.
Yeah, and you know, because it becomes a cockfight between me and that CEO or that director in every coaching session, him proving to me that, you know, I know better than you. Yeah. It's not a cockfight, man. It's just a journey. Let's find out. So this is why I choose to work with people that I believe that are amazing, and I learn from them. You know, coaching is this process where, as a coach, you also grow and heal, and you learn along the journey of your clients. A lot of people don't realize that. So there's 4 or 5 qualities that I really, really admire in those people that I work with. Number one is that they care.
Yeah,
simple. They care about their people. They awesome. Show it.
Yeah,
you know, it's like, hey man, Hayssam, how are you? You all right, man? Going on? I've seen you. You're a bit off your game in the last couple of days. What's going on? Let's have a talk. You know, it's like, you know what I mean? It's like,
and I think we Americans have the reputation of that. Sometimes it's authentic, sometimes it's less authentic.
Yeah.
But I think Middle Easterners, this is one of the things I love about, you have to be careful here. There's a double-edged sword here. But I think Middle Easterners culturally and traditionally, because of I don't want to say the wrong thing, but kind of a clannish type of tribal kind of, everybody realizes that everybody's extended family, regardless of rank and position. Yeah. I think caring is something that Middle Easterners learn very early in life.
Yeah, it's true. Look at family business, look at companies that are run by primarily Middle Easterners. It's people who come, like Westerners who come into this, they're like, what the fuck's going on?
Yeah.
Why are you people so emotional and you're so vocal?
And why do you go eat together and spend the whole day together? And why is the whole family involved?
Yes.
But I think that's beautiful. I think that's the primal, again.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah.
No worry. That's a primal form of caring that I think used to be part of all cultures, but we in the West have lost it a little bit. We simulate it more than we live it.
But it also a double-edged sword also, you know, it's, you know, like in my family, I grew up in a family where volume was the only tone. We just yelled everything. Where are you going? I'm going to the grocery store. Why are you asking me?
Yeah. So that was one of the first qualities, was caring. What are some of the next?
Second is that they believe in their people's potential.
Yes.
You know, like, and the way I let you know that I believe in your potential is I give you the opportunity to spread your wings, and I don't micromanage you, and I give you some responsibility from the get-go. Yeah. I've got an employee. She's like she's one of our employees who's now the backbone of the company, who started in the lowest possible position. She was timid. She was intimidated by me, and I looked at her and I saw that potential.
Yeah, I love that.
And I'm like, here. And she's like, are you sure?